So what is website optimization? Everybody says, we've heard the term, but what is it? Okay, and there it is, the process of making changes to your website to improve its performance in terms of traffic. That is the number of visitors that we drive to our website. Is it any traffic? That's the question. What is the right traffic? What's the right quantity of traffic? And once they come in there, is there engagement? And do we get conversions? The conversions are those leads that we get. Okay. And I'm also going to discuss the key strategies for maximizing conversions. And you guys know this, I don't have to tell you this. This is what you expect when you go to some website. True or not? And now you've got to go and check whether you deliver this. But I'm going to go through this, and each of this I'm going to go through Rockable's website, live examples, and we'll go and check for user-friendly design, clear and concise messaging, CTAs, etc. So Rockable was here, and what he told us was he spent $10,000 on his website originally, and he wasn't getting results. Why did he spend $10,000? He said, I could have got something for 500 or 1,000. Because he said, I wanted to make sure I had a really pretty website. And he said, I got a pretty website. Unfortunately, it didn't deliver me conversions. So I realized very quickly I had to make changes. So let's go and go to the website that the changes were done. So Means and Wealth is Rockable's business. And as you come in here, if you were of the Islamic faith and you were a professional, you were a doctor, you were a business owner, the first thing you come in here and you see is this couple that looks of the Islamic faith. So it will instantly resonate with you because this, you look at this and say, that's us, that's us. Now, if you are not of this faith, you would have left. You would have left. And that's exactly what we want. So we want to resonate with the right people. And in this case, in Rockable's case, when we did the strategy, it was with not anybody of the Islamic faith, but business owners, doctors in particular who own medical practices, because for him, they were the most valuable because they bought their medical practices, they bought their homes, they had investment properties, they needed insurance, superannuation, because he was a financial planner as well. So if this resonates with you, ladies and gentlemen, psychologically, the next thing you do is you read this. And the message when you read that, you must get is that that's what I want. So if you're of the Islamic faith and you were that doctor and you read that, it said, that's what I want. Again, this is through data, strategy. So it's not just words on a page. It's done to clear strategy. Strategy is also about trade-offs. And you can see the trade-offs we made. In his previous website, there was a Caucasian couple, a man in a suit. Sorry, a Caucasian man in a suit. So it was very different and gave a very different result, or actually no result in Rockable's case. So now, because this resonates, and only because it resonates, your customer will read this. When they read this, please have a read of that. The message that we are delivering is that that's exactly what I want. The feeling they must get is that's exactly what I want. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there's a formula that this has been written on. There are three things that has been delivered. The first is, in this line, we are showing empathy. We're demonstrating empathy. In this line here, we are saying we are That empathy is about we understand not only our beliefs, but we also understand the goals we want to achieve. That's what you're looking for. We get that. And in this line, we are saying, look, we have done this before. You can trust us here.